So hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create and manipulate arrays in using Numpy. So why do you need to know this? So this is mainly used in machine learning and data science concept Numpy. So Numpy is nothing but a Python library. So you can do all these things array processing in using Python itself, but Numpy is a dedicated one. So and it mainly you can save a lot of time in processing. It is has a capability to process large amount of data in a very fast time, so that's why it's used. So let's get started. So first thing, I'm using Jupyter notebook over here, so you can use your preferred editor. So import numpy. So if you haven't installed numpy, you're going to go to command prompt and just going to type pip install numpy and press enter. Automatically will get downloaded and installed, so don't worry about that. Pip install numpy as n let it be n. So n is not, so instead of typing numpy we can directly use n. Let's just create an array a1. So let a1 be the array equal to n. You can directly import numpy and use numpy everywhere. So in order to shorten it and prevent repetition, I am using this. So it's going to be array. Array is the function name array. I'm just going to create a basic one-dimensional array. So now in order to print, let's run it. So here you can see array 1, 2, 3. That's the array. So of course you would be wondering what is the data type. It is not list. It is not an array. It's some specific thing known as Numpy array. So Numpy array is a specific data type. So in order to find this data type, just go to type and print the name of that array a1. That's good. Just run it. And see numpy.ndr. This is data type. It's not array or something like this like that. So okay, this is the way of creating. It's a simple one-dimensional array. You know, to say if you want to create a multi-dimensional array, 2 cos 3 array like that. So it has only one row. So you can, for creating multi-dimensional array, a2 equal to a, let it be, so a2 is equal to n dot array. So open 1 2 be 1 comma 2 comma 3 and just put a comma over here and type the next array 1 comma 2 comma 3 and close it. So that's it. So this is you can see it's not a one dimensional, it's actually a 2D array. If you now print it, here to run, so you can see over here just 2 rows. So and it's a 2D array. Let me show the shape. Here 2 dot shape run. So you can see it's 2 comma 3, 2 rows and 3 columns. So that's what it specifies, and you can also find the size of the array. Let's just show you a2 dot size. So size basically returns the number of elements present in the array. To count, it counts the number of elements present in the array, and you can also create a 3-dimensional array. Similarly to this, it will 3 square brackets will come, and also create multi-dimensional array. So now will be asking, you can also create instead of giving manual numbers to the arrays, you can also generate arrays by using random numbers. I will explain that in another video. And you can also create numbers by using ones and zeros automatically. Instead of typing 1 1 1 1 1 1 like that, you can type do it automatically. Let me show you how. So suppose consider a3. So consider a3. A3 will be equal to n. That's our numpy. As once, that's the name of function. Once double quotes 2 comma, so it will be 3 comma 3. So what it does is it returns automatically creates an array of consisting of 3 rows and 3 columns. Let me now run it. You can see here automatically it has 3 rows and 3 columns, and we can also perform any manipulation like that. Say shape 3 cross 3. That's perfect. So if you want to create an same thing by using zeros instead of ones, pretty much there's a complement of it. It will be a4 equal to n dot zero s. So it's going to be same 3 comma 3 a4. If print, we are getting a 3 cross 3 matrix full of zeros. So